Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
This is our office, and we are now in APC, and we paid the rent. It's a matter of nomenclature. We are now APC. And as I'm talking to you, my office is there. I've not removed my things. So what is wrong? This is not a bona fide property of PDP. We paid the rent. The governor, the leader of the party, gave me the money, and I paid the rent to the landlords. So whoever wants to bring an office for his party can also go and get an office for his party. You cannot want the governor to come and provide for your party. We are not in PDP any longer.
The governor today is in APC, so you don't expect the governor to pay rent for a place for another party to use. That's why he has moved the APC Secretariat to this place where we are.
Development, we commend His Excellency. He has not just moved alone, he is moving with the entire political structure. The entire members of the House of Assembly, about 80% have already moved. The local government chairman, 100% have moved. Councillors have moved, appointees have moved. So youths are also moving. So it's a political development that has changed the narrative of politics in Cross River State. Because Cross River State now is 70% APC.
Has decided to move from PDP to APC. Everything in that direction too will switch towards his direction. My boss has moved. The 18 local government council chairmen have moved. Every other component will move. That is why the Secretariat has also moved from PDP to APC.